Attraction is not created by force, pressure, or clever tricks. It grows naturally through emotional connection, comfort, and the way you communicate. Many men believe they need perfect looks or money to attract a woman, but psychology shows something different. The way you speak, your tone, your words, your intention can shape how a woman feels around you. Women are highly responsive to emotional intelligence and subtle communication cues. It's not about saying more, it's about saying the right things in the right way. The most attractive men are not the loudest, but the ones who make a woman feel understood and comfortable. Words can create curiosity, trust, and emotional connection when used with confidence and sincerity. But if used incorrectly, they can push her away instantly. Today, we will explore 6 powerful phrases that can naturally build attraction and emotional connection according to female psychology. Phrase 1. I enjoy talking to you. This simple phrase carries more power than most men realize. It tells her that her presence is valued without sounding desperate. Women are naturally drawn to men who appreciate their personality, not just their appearance. When you say this calmly, it creates a sense of emotional validation. It makes her feel that the conversation itself has meaning. Unlike generic compliments, this feels personal and sincere. It also signals that you are selective with your attention. This increases your perceived value in her eyes. The key is to say it naturally, not as a rehearsed line. Your tone should feel relaxed and confident. When a woman feels that you genuinely enjoy her company, she becomes more comfortable. Comfort is one of the strongest foundations of attraction. It lowers her guard and makes the interaction feel safe. This phrase also separates you from men who only focus on looks. It shows emotional awareness and maturity. Over time, this builds a deeper connection, and connection is what turns interest into attraction. Simple words, when used correctly, create powerful emotional impact. This is where attraction quietly begins, not with pressure, but with genuine appreciation. Phrase 2. Tell me more about that. This phrase signals curiosity and genuine interest. Most people talk to impress, but few listen to understand. When you invite her to share more, you shift the focus onto her. This makes her feel important and heard. Women often connect emotionally through conversation. By encouraging her to open up, you create space for that connection. It shows that you are not self-centered. Instead, you are engaged and attentive. This builds trust naturally over time. It also makes conversations flow effortlessly. When she feels comfortable expressing herself, attraction can grow, because she associates that comfort with you. The phrase is simple, but the intention behind it matters. You must actually listen, not just pretend. Your body language should match your words. Eye contact and calm attention make a difference. This creates a deeper emotional experience, and emotional experiences are memorable. The more she enjoys talking to you, the more she wants to continue. And that is how attraction develops without force. Phrase 3. I like your energy. This phrase is subtle but powerful. Instead of focusing only on physical appearance, it highlights her presence. Energy is something people feel but rarely hear acknowledged. When you notice it, it feels unique and genuine. Women are often used to surface-level compliments. This one feels deeper and more thoughtful. It shows that you are observant and that you notice more than just the obvious. This creates curiosity about how you see her. Curiosity increases attraction naturally. It also makes your compliments stand out from others. The key is to say it with calm confidence, not overly excited or exaggerated, just simple and direct. This keeps it authentic. When a woman feels seen beyond her looks, it creates connection. Connection builds comfort, and comfort builds attraction. This phrase works because it touches something emotional, and emotional impact is what people remember most. Phrase 4. I respect that. Respect is one of the most attractive qualities a man can show. When a woman shares an opinion or decision, acknowledging it matters. This phrase shows maturity and emotional intelligence. It signals that you are not controlling or dismissive. Instead, you value her perspective. This creates a safe and comfortable environment. Women are naturally drawn to men who make them feel respected, because respect builds trust, and trust is essential for attraction. This phrase also shows confidence. You are not threatened by different opinions. You accept them calmly. This makes you appear stable and grounded. Emotional stability is highly attractive. It reduces tension and creates ease in conversation. When she feels respected, she becomes more open. Openness leads to deeper connection, and deeper connection leads to attraction. This is how simple words can create strong emotional impact. Respect is not just polite, it is powerful. Phrase 5. You're different. This phrase creates intrigue and curiosity, but it must be used carefully and sincerely. When said naturally, it makes her wonder what you see in her. It suggests that she stands out in a meaningful way. People are drawn to feeling unique. This phrase triggers that emotional response. It also creates a subtle sense of mystery, which increases attraction. The key is to avoid over-explaining immediately. Let her curiosity grow. This creates engagement in the conversation. She may ask what you mean, and that opens the door for deeper interaction. When used correctly, this phrase becomes memorable because it touches identity, not just appearance. It makes her feel special without sounding forced. This balance is important. Too much intensity can feel unnatural, but calm delivery makes it effective. Attraction often grows through curiosity and emotion combined. Phrase 6. Let's see where this goes. This phrase creates a relaxed and pressure-free dynamic. It shows interest without forcing expectations. Women often feel uncomfortable when things move too fast. This removes that pressure completely. It communicates confidence and patience. You are open to connection, but not desperate for it. This balance is very attractive. It creates a sense of natural progression. Instead of rushing, you allow things to develop. This builds comfort and trust. It also shows emotional control. You are not chasing, you are allowing. This makes you stand out from others, because most people rush or force outcomes. This phrase keeps things light and natural, which is where attraction grows best. It creates space for genuine connection, and genuine connection leads to real attraction. Sometimes, less pressure creates more desire, and this phrase captures that perfectly. Attraction is not about manipulation or memorizing lines. It is about understanding emotions, communication, and human psychology. The right words, spoken with confidence and sincerity, can create powerful connections. But the real secret is not just what you say, it's how you make someone feel. When a woman feels comfortable, respected, and genuinely understood, attraction begins to grow naturally. There is no need to force or impress. True confidence comes from being calm, present, and authentic. The phrases we discussed are not tricks, but tools for better communication. When used with the right intention, they can create meaningful connections. In the end, attraction is not built through pressure, but through emotional awareness. And sometimes, the simplest words can create the strongest impact.